Hi everybody, it's Jen, and I wanted to share with you ASCcraftsupplies.com, ASC Supplies on Etsy. Use Scrapping Past 10 for 10% off, and I am a member of the design team, and it's a wonderful, wonderful store. So can't wait to show you what I got. So I did get some, I kind of went back in time a little bit and got some stuff that I hadn't gotten when it was, you know, on sale. And I got my handwritten note, of course. I got some small pockets, some small Stamp and Die storage pockets, and then I have some big ones in my cart. So I needed some more. I'm in the process of putting stuff away. I got these Lavinia stamps. I thought this one was neat and it would be perfect for almost anything. It's called Magical Mist, but I was thinking you could put gems on that. I'm going to try and emboss some stuff. I got my stuff up here for embossing. And then just be bumble on and be yourself. I'm pretty sure I got the bee stamps last time, so. And then 3D foam strips. I'm going to try and make some shaker cards. And then I got the paper collections. Oops. I forgot to get the paper collection. I have the adhesive paper cutouts for Paris pastry. Or not for Paris pastry, for the Stamp Period collection, oh la la. And I forgot to get the, oh no, I got it, here it is, oh la la. Okay, I just didn't get, no I did, okay, I got it all, okay. I'm not gonna flip through this unless you guys want to see it, but I thought it's cute. And it's not something that I would get every time, like I wouldn't, if it wasn't on sale, I guess I probably wouldn't have got it, but I love the buildings, and so that's why I got it. So I thought an album, maybe some cards. So, oh la la, there's lots of sentiments in it and cut aparts and stuff like that. So we'll see about that. I have lots of albums to make, so it's going to be on the back burner. And then I got the Stamperia coffee and chocolate, because it's a lot of brown, but I would like to put it with a mint or a pink probably, or a turquoise. So we'll see if I can find something to go with it. This is by itself for me, and why I hadn't bought it before is it's just a lot of brown. But I did get enough to make an album. And then, okay, if you haven't seen this, check it out. So go to the website, look up the Crafter's Companion, or you can look up cardstock, or you can look up a million other things that will get you to this. But this is some specialty cardstock, and it's all in one, and I love the colors. Let's see if I can do this without damaging anything. Okay, so you can see there's mirror and glitter, and it's a 12 by 12, 250 GSM, so it's really heavyweight. 3 mirrored, 4 each, 3 glitter, 4 each, acid free. Okay, and it is no glitter. It's glitter, but it's not going to come off. So I thought this would be perfect for my cards, to just add that special layer. Again, no glitter. Here's the blue. So I think I'm gonna pick up some more of these if there's different. I think there's at least one more. A nice mirror. Sorry for the glare, but that's what happens when you get mirror. This is a silver mirror. Look at that pink mirror. I love it. I have a blue mirror. And I think that's it. Yeah. So those, look at those colors though. So I really, really like this one. So this is the Cosmic collection. So it's the teals, blues, silvers, and that pink mirror. But there are other collections that we can get into. So that is my ASC supplies.com haul. And she has, if you're not a member of the Facebook group, go to the ASC VIP Facebook group. It's in my description below. And join, because she announces all of her sales and everything there, and I post all my videos there. And yeah, well, it's a good place to be. The people are all wonderful. We're very supportive and everything. So thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time. Thanks a lot. Bye bye.